Hey students, me again, Mr. Vitz. So let's take a look at this problem. The greenhouse pictured below can be modeled as a rectangular prism with a half cylinder on top. The rectangular prism is 20 feet wide, 12 feet high, and 45 feet long. The half cylinder has a diameter of 20 feet. To the nearest cubic foot, what is the volume of the greenhouse? Okay, so this is one of those multi-step problems. So we have like a half cylinder on top of this rectangular prism. Let's take a look. So we're going to break this into two parts, right? The first part is the rectangular prism. So what's the volume of a rectangular prism? Well, for any prism, it's the area of the base times the height. Area base times the height, that's what that is. So what's the area of this base? So it's a rectangular base. So the area of the base is length times width, and they told us it's 45 and 20. So 45 times 20 is 900. So that's the area of the base of this rectangular prism. And then we just want to multiply it by this height right here. So here's the height. 900 times 12 is 10,800. So that's the volume of this rectangular prism down below. Now we just need to figure out what the volume of this half cylinder on top is. So a half cylinder is exactly that, half a cylinder. So I took the cylinder formula, which is pi r squared h, and I just added the 1/2 to it. So I just used 1/2 pi r squared h. You could just use the cylinder formula and then divide it by 2 at the end if you want. I'm just going to do it this way. So the radius is 10. How do I know that? Well, this diameter is 20. So if the radius is 10, we can just go ahead and plug that into the formula, which I already wrote out here. So we've got volume is 1/2 pi 10 squared times 12, radius of 10. Volume is 1/2 of 100 times 12 times pi, don't forget. I just rewrote that in different order because multiplication is commutative. You could simplify that if you want. You could say it's like 50 times 12, but I just stuck it in my calculator and I got the volume is approximately, that's what those squiggly equals mean, 7,068.58. And I want to round this to the nearest cubic foot, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. So if I'm going to add these two things together, what do I get? Well, the total volume is 7,868.58, but I want to round that to the nearest cubic foot. So what's that going to be? So that's going to be 17,869 cubic feet. So there you go. Hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions about the greenhouse problem. Thanks for watching.